this video is really to help you guys understand how fucked up I would be if I didn't have the things that I use on a daily basis to keep me organized, to keep me productive, to keep me from fucking up. I mean, literally, if I don't spend about 15 minutes every night at some point before I go to bed to map out the next day, we're talking about what I gotta do, where I'm gonna be, who I gotta call, the things I've gotta do, and I gotta have them written out in front of me in fucking black and white. Literally, I have an old school fucking book. You open that fucker up and I write with a fucking pen. You know, yes, it's old school, but writing helps me be on top of remembering what the fuck I gotta do. So, what this video is about is just really trying to help you guys adapt another tool that's going to help you be more successful when it comes to getting what you want, which means daily fucking execution. So when you're executing daily, you're going to be successful. The hard part is, how do you execute daily? Well, there's a lot of fucking different parts of that. And one of the parts is knowing what the fuck you've got to do and making sure that you've got it laid out in front of you the day before. Because the premeditation of doing what you got to do is going to be unbelievably helpful. It's going to free your mind. The decisions are already fucking made. You just fucking wake up and go fucking, literally just go into mode like you're a fucking machine, because you've already premeditated. You've mapped it out. You've laid your fucking roadmap on where you've got to be, what you got to do, and, you know, it is literally as simple as that. Now, granted, this is an execution tool, a daily execution tool. Now, there's a lot more parts of the whole thing in terms of developing your plan, but I'm just talking about the simple daily execution. If I didn't have that fucking book, Jesus Christ, I mean, I literally just sit there and fucking spin. It's like some sort of a short circuit of my mind. I've got to have my shit laid out the night before if I'm going to be successful the following fucking day. And I promise you, when you try this, you are going to feel the benefit of preparing to succeed. Rock and roll, my peeps, make it a fucking